How to remove Yahoo from Chrome. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser, open your Chrome, and then tap on this three dot from your top right corner. After that, go to settings. Now, go to search engine. If your Yahoo is constantly replacing your Chrome, it means that your search engine is Yahoo instead of Google. So as you can see, when I choose Yahoo, my browser is now Yahoo, not Google. Now, in order to remove this kind of issue, what you will have to do is simply go to change and then select Google. Now set as default, and now your default browser or default search engine will be Google instead of Yahoo. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.